So good morning all of you. So children, in previous class I explained you in three periods children. This is the fourth period. I mean regarding to the lesson the snake and the mirror. So children, with this part the lesson will be finished children. So this is the fourth part. So children, in previous class I explained you what is that, suddenly the snake it looks into the mirror and it's concentratingly it's looking into the mirror children. Then the homeopathy doctor thought that, oh, the what is that, the snake it wants to enjoy its beauty, its reflection by seeing into the mirror. He thought like that. So maybe the snake was thinking about its massacre or its what is that, vermilion on its forehead, otherwise growing about the mustache regarding to its beauty. So the snake thought, the homeopathy doctor thought like that while the snake was looking into the mirror. So this was the last there I stopped in previous class children. Today I am going to continue from next para. So children, I don't know anything for certain what sex was the snake. Was it male or female? I will never know. Yes, children. So the doctor in the above line, I refers to the doctor. So I don't know anything for certain. Certain means sure. So the doctor is telling that I don't know anything for certain. I don't know surely what sex was the snake. The sex of the snake was it male or female? I will never know. So the doctor was telling that the snake sex of the snake. I mean whether it was male or female. The doctor don't know. He never knows. Next, for the snake unwounded itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. So, for the snake unwound, wound means turn round and round, wriggled. But unwound, reversed. It was unwounded from my hand and slowly slithered into my lap. Slithered means glided down. Glided down means come down slowly from the hand. It was unwounded and slowly the snake comes down into the lap. From there it crept onto the table and moved towards the mirror. Yes, children, from the lap slowly it crept onto the table towards the mirror. Next, perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its own reflection. In the above line, it refers to the snake. Perhaps the snake wanted to enjoy its own picture, its own reflection in the mirror at a closer quarters. Suppose this is the table children, this is mirror for example. On the chair he sat on. Okay, when he sat on the chair, the snake unwounded from his lap, slowly it crept onto the table towards the mirror. The doctor thought that it wanted to enjoy its own reflection at closer quarters, close to the mirror. As children. So next para I am going to explain you children. I was no more image cut in granite. I was no more image cut in granite. Cut in granite. Granite is a stone children. So what he was telling, granite means stone. Stone means it can't move. So when the snake coiled around his arm, he stood like a stone. But now it was unwounded and slowly came down and it moved towards the mirror. It crept onto the table. Okay, now there was no snake on his body. That's why I was no more image cut in granite. I was no more image. So now he did not like a stone. Now there is a chance to move. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. A man of flesh and blood. It's a idiom children. Man of flesh and blood means normal. Then the snake crept onto the table. Now there was no snake on his body. So now he became normal. A man of flesh and blood means become normal. Now he became normal. Still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. So the snake went on to the table. So holding his breath. From the table he got up, holding his breath. Yes, children. So he got up from the chair. He got up from the chair. Next, I quietly went out through the door into the veranda. Into the veranda. Slowly, he got up from the chair, holding his breath, and children from the chair. Okay, I quietly means silently. Quietly means I silently went out through the door into the veranda. Yes, children. Next. From there, I crept into the yard and ran for all I was worth. All I was worth. Yes, children. Slowly he got up from the chair. Slowly he moved toward the veranda. From there, slowly he moved to yard, open area. From there, he ran for all I was worth. All I was worth. In the above line, I refers to the homeopathy doctor. Worth means value. What is the value here? His life. So from there he ran. Somewhere he ran fast. He ran fast, children. So children, slowly he got up from the chair, holding his breath. So from the chair, slowly, quietly means silently, he moved towards the veranda. So from there, he slowly moved towards the yard. From there, he ran to save from his life. Next, phew. PHEW. Phew means a sigh of relief. So each of us heaved a sigh of relief. All of us lit BDs. Somebody asked, "Doctor, is your wife very fat?" So the story finished. Said by the doctor to his friends. Then all of his friends. Then he took a, what is that? Each of us heaved a sigh of relief. Then immediately all of his friends took out BD and they lit the BDs. So all of us lit the BDs. Somebody asked. So one of his friends asked him, "Doctor, is your wife very fat?" So one of his friend asked like that. Asked him that, "Doctor, is your wife very fat?" He asked. Then doctor was replying that, "No." The doctor said, "God willed otherwise." Children, no, the doctor said God willed otherwise. It means the doctor he wanted to marry a fat woman, but God willed otherwise means it became reverse. So he wanted to marry fat woman, but he got a lean person, thin means lean, LEAN, thin person as his wife. So his expectation became reverse. Next, my life companion is a thin means lean, reedy means unpleasant, that means not well, unpleasant, with the gift of a sprinter. Yes. Why? Because actually he wanted to marry a fat woman for a valid silly reason. What was the silly reason? If he committed any silly mistake when he runs, she can't run if she was fat. But now she is a sprinter. Sprinter means a fast runner. She can run fast because she was thin. Next. So what you understood? What he expected completely what is that? He done reverse, children. He wanted to marry a fat woman. He is what is that? Now he married a thin woman, lean. So he wanted to marry a beautiful woman, but now he married reedy. Reedy means unpleasant woman. What he expected, it became reverse. Next para, children. Someone else asked, "Doctor, When you ran, did the snake follow you? Yes, children. So one of his friends asked, "Doctor, is your wife fat?" Then he replied. The doctor replied. One more friend asked, "Doctor, when you ran, did the snake follows you?" Then the doctor replied. I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. So children, he first he crept, he got up from the chair, he went to veranda, from there he went to yard, from there he started running. So he ran and ran till he reached his friend's house. So whatever it may be, he reached one of his friend's house. Immediately I smeared oil all over myself and took a bath. So after reaching his friend's house, immediately he smeared total his body oil. He applied. Smeared means applied. What he applied? Oil he applied. Immediately I applied oil all over myself and took a bath. He took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. Then he changed clothes. He wore washed clothes, cleaned clothes. The next morning, at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two others to my room to move my things from there. From there means from his room. So the next morning at about 8:30, what is the time, children? 8:30. So the next morning at the time of what is the time? At morning 8:30, he, the homeopathy doctor, and his friend and one or two other. So total of 3 or 4 members went to his room for what? To change, to bring the things what are there in his room, to shift the room. Next, but we found we had little to carry, but they had found too little to carry. All his things were not there, children. Very few things, very little things were left at his home. Left means were there in his room to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. Some thief, yes, children. So when he ran to his room, so after the snake had gone, some thief had entered and removed all his things. Removed means stolen. Stolen his most of his things. The room had been cleaned out. Here cleaned out means not cleaned with a broom. Total his things were not there. Totally almost his room was cleaned out. That means all things were removed stolen by the thief. Next, children, but not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. The thief removed all the things, children. Removed means stolen. So the thief stolen all the things except one thing, children. One thing as a final insult. What might have been the thing? Let us see. Yes, children. That was the only thing the thief left, children. Then his friend, one of his friends asked, "What was that?" I asked, "What was that?" In the above line, I refers to one of his friends. So his friend asked, "What was that? What the thief left? What was the thing?" His friend asked. The doctor said, "My vest, the dirty one." Vest, vest means inner garment, like banyan. Yes, children. So, vest was the left by the thief. What is the meaning of the vest? The inner garment. Next, the fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. The fellow, in the above line, fellow refers to the thief. the thief had such a sense of cleanliness. That was the dirty one. That's why the thief left that. He had such a sense of cleanliness. So the doctor said like that. So the rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. Suppose the vest was, if it was washed and cleaned, suppose then that one also might have taken by could have taken by the thief. But he had the sense of cleanliness. It was sullied. Sullied means not cleaned. That's why the thief left the vest. Next, did you see the snake the next day, doctor? Doctor, did you see the snake next time? One more friend asked like that. The doctor laughed. The doctor he laughed. I have never seen it since. Since means then. Then onwards I never seen the snake. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. It was the snake which was taken with its own beauty. Why the doctor said like that? Because that was the snake. It crept towards the table to look into the mirror. The snake was looking into the mirror, but actually is there any snake looks into the mirror? No, children, no snakes look into the mirror. It was the first snake to look into the mirror. That's why he is telling that it was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. That is the reason he said like that. Who said? The doctor. Which type of doctor he is? Homeopath. What is the meaning of vest? Inner garment. What was the time? They started to their room 8:30. So all those points we have to catch, children. So children, while preparing the question paper, actually most of the questions comes from the lesson, children, but few more questions will be asked you, otherwise will be given in the question paper regarding to the topics what I have completed previously. Okay, so you have to concentrate on previous classes as well as you have to more concentrate on present class also. So children, this is the class for today. With this class, the snake and the mirror finish. Okay, I completed the lesson, children. So in next class, let's meet with the new lesson, children. So thank you one and all.